It's time to see a few examples of the applications of a multimedia system. We're going to start with its application in art. And here we have an online virtual tour to the Louvre Museum of Art in France. And you can see that it lets us take a tour as if we were there in the museum. Check out the art they have exposed in there. Thanks to video combined with text, it doesn't have any sound. It does have text, as we can see. It takes a little bit to load. And there we are. We have moved to another area of the museum. It is loading. And this is one of the probably we can say disadvantages of multimedia. It takes quite a bit to download, to load actually, but it depends, as we're going to mention later, of the operating system and the plugins, the capacity of your drives. There are many things involved. Okay, if we move on, in this area we can see how multimedia systems are used in advertisement and communications. This is a local newspaper in Guatemala City, and it has a combination of image, text. It also contains video. If we click over here, we will be able to see the news. Actually, this is an online paper, and there's an ad section, so we can see the commercial application of multimedia. We're not gonna see it all. We're gonna move on to the educational part of educational applications of multimedia. This is a very nice page for elementary children, and it combines sound, video, images. If we check out, for example, learn to read section, children can learn by watching a few videos, playing games. It's a very interactive site that combines all of the elements of multimedia. Let's take a look at one of the presentations here. So loading.
SH sounds like
Okay, and you can see that these kind of multimedia here specifically is linear, because a student won't be able to choose freely which activity, well, not activity, but like what to do next, except then to follow the arrow. It's a combination.
like as in sheep. The sheep is sleeping.
Okay, so there we see the arrow again, but this page or this site is really complex because the main menu is non-linear. The students can choose what activity to do next, and all of them have all of the elements of multimedia combined. We're going to close the pages as we visit them. Okay. And entertainment, yeah, entertainment uses multimedia as well. And we have a sample here. We have the Warner channel, and advertising its shows. It also offers all of the elements. If we go a little bit down. We have the characters, previews of the shows. So it does have video, text, images. Okay, let's check out another one. I thought this would be very interesting. It's how multimedia system are applying in engineer. So we're gonna browse through this video. You can see there are many elements combined in engineering. Pretty awesome. You can see an authoring system here. Can't really tell which one it is, but yeah, it's kind of the software that engineers use. They also work with different script languages. Okay, now we're gonna see another example of a multimedia application. I like this one very much in particular. This is science, and it's about the blood groups, blood typing, and blood transfusions. And it has text for the explanation. It has images, and if we go down, it has a simulation to help students understand and practice, apply what they have learned about blood typing. It's a really nice game. I like it. And you can see that we need a flash player in order to view the game. Here we go. Okay, it's set so we can play. And we're gonna try it. So there's an accident and they're going to take the patient to the hospital. And there you will be responsible in making the proper transfusions for the patients to survive. Okay, we see texting here. We see the animations. Students can read the directions. You also have the option of of audio. And well, let's see. Start now. Okay, kind of forgot what. Oh yeah, you have to choose your patient. Okay, let's go with the girl first. Okay, so I've played this before, but we are going to just randomly do stuff right here. We have to take a blood sample in order to find out what the blood type of this patient is, and then of course administer the right transfusion. Okay, there was something I had to do. Get the blood type, but mixing. Okay, we need some blood again. It's a very nice simulation, even for, not necessarily for medicine students, but any kind of student can understand this. I learned a lot from this. Okay, so then we're going to see the patterns, and this one will tell us if we have the correct blood. Okay, we have to hang it here. Yeah, we did it. We saved one of the patients, and we don't have time to save the other ones. So we're moving to another site, and this one has well, it's focused on math. We have here a Cartesian plane. It is a multimedia tutorial for math. So I already did some of the activities here. This program also runs on Flash. Okay, so you can see the animation here. It only has text animations, and it does have graphics. Okay, we're not gonna spend a lot of time in this one. Okay, in business or for commerce, Amazon is a very popular page, and it's not the exception for combining these multimedia elements to offer their products to customers online. This is the Mario Party 9 game for Wii, and customers can take a look at it. They can see a video, and they have images here of the game that they can check out. If we go back, so we can see a preview of how the game works. Okay, we're going to close this window, and then there is text providing a description of the product, the price of the product. There are more buttons, known as hypertext. We find a lot of links that can take the customer to other places in order to finalize their purchase or complete their purchase.